I got one.
The other one's over here. I see him right here. Pointing my laser right here. Yep.
I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch.
Are you dead?
No, I'm not. Close to it. No, we
Dude,
just
I saw you across my screen.
just flying. It's PMCs.
Yeah, it sounded like it.
Wait a minute.
Just killed one.
We're there.
Yeah, they're dead.
Yep.
Unfortunate. It's one runner enough. Same side. Yeah, I'm dead. But well fucking deserved.
Imagine your game glitch and all that shit.
Completely disappeared, yeah. Ooh. My ass is so huge now. Oh, behind. Shit. The fuck? Where?
Holy Jesus.
God, that thing is like hanging around. I'm gonna chuck a nade, I guess. He was in the tent, you said?
I didn't see him. I just like.
Well, someone just got mined. Who's that? Who's getting mined?
Not us, not us, not us.
Yo, man, you good?
You killed
Hey,
him?
you can't walk over there, man. Those are mines, dog. Here, go. Hey, I'll leave you be, bro. I'm sorry for killing your friend. You guys scared me. I'm out of here, all right? You guys can go. Just be careful, bro. Be careful next time.
Wait. Oh my god.
Oh my god, they're killing him for us. Shit, they're getting dumped off. Did I kill him?
Yeah, you. The fuck? You dropped.
That was it. It was just him.
Yep, he's in there. Oh.
Yeah. He didn't see us.
Oh, abandoned! I gotta get out of here.
Kill
I just
one.
found Violet.
One of
Found
the
Violet. Nice.
Uh,
You took my scabs and now you die for it.
Near the riverbed. Near the riverbed. Left. I don't know where he went.
He killed me. How is he not dead?
Okay, I'm dead. In the hallway. I mean, in the staircase. Where gold's at. Oh, the scab.
You just insta what? I don't see anything, but I didn't see behind the counter. The scab eluding the PMC, so it was
Oh,
there he
shit.
is. He was sitting here the entire time. The entire time. Just like this, and he saw us run past. Bro. Okay.
God, dude, this guy's just.
Oh!
Oh!
Wait a second, that was actually cracked.
That was
actually
dirty.
cracked.